Imagine arriving at your holiday cabin, only to find there's no water supply. Over 40 forest cabins face this exact crisis during peak season. Our emergency response team was called in to avert a potential site closure. Our engineers discovered a 64mm pipe cover blocking the mains line, causing a total loss of flow to the booster set. Immediate action was taken to clear the blockage and restore water flow efficiently. Following the initial investigation, the obstruction was cleared and the system was flushed. Booster pumps were tested and restarted, ensuring optimal water flow and pressure stability. We performed a full booster pump set service, including electrical and mechanical checks. A critical fault in the accumulator was identified and addressed, ensuring the holiday park's water system remained reliable and risk-free.